Bangalore cold ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I am at Garden City of India as well as in Pune industrial area. This is the place where I was there for a very long time, meeting a lot of customers, and today I am at Fagor Automation. Fagor Automation is a Spanish company offering wide range of CNC system, feedback systems, lot of innovative solution for precision machining. I am here to understand about their technology as well as what they are going to bring new to IMTEX 2025.
Fagor Automation is a leading manufacturer of CNC controllers and feedback systems. We are in the market from last 45 years. The whole production of these products are happening in Spain. We have been marketing these products across India from 2008 as a subsidiary, and before that we were through a dealer. After 2008 we kept on increasing our install base as well as customer base. Now we are serving almost all the OEMs in India and across the globe. Specifically talking about our CNC controllers and motors, drives, we have very advanced technology which is equally compatible and equally advisable to all the applications across the globe. Preliminarily, we are looking at metal cutting applications, and we are one of the market leader in that segment.
The real challenges of the machine tool industry when it comes to manufacturing sector, the precision and the repeatability of the components, what it is being produced by the machines. So in this case, we Fagor Automation, we have got a complete solution for all the complex machining requirements from the any type of industry, which includes automobile, aerospace and defense, or any kind of sectors.
Hi sir. Thank you. It's very pleasure to meet you today, and you came here for the discussion and everything. It was a quite good one. And Fagor have a lot of benefits with this discussion and everything, and we can meet further more things on the IMTEX 2025.
I enjoy my time here, and let's all meet at IMTEX 2025.